What's going on YouTube? AR Car Reviews here again with another video, and today we're putting some new wheels on the Mustang. You feel me? Mustang is gonna get some brand new wheels. I'm not gonna say what wheels they are yet, but they're gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. And so we gotta get rid of the old wheels, you know what I'm saying? We gotta take out the old wheels, and it's only one way to do that on a Mustang. I'm here with my boy Jonathan. He gonna try to do some donuts or a burnout. I don't know. We gonna see. All right. So advanced track is still off because I didn't install. So
the lie detector determined that was a lie.
Oh, you got it. Just move out there a little bit because this should be kicking back. Yeah, go like that way. Yeah, go out in the middle. Yo, I'm telling you, do some donuts, bro. It's gonna be fun. All right. So what you gotta do is like angle the wheel a little bit, like more than that. Put the clutch in and give it some revs and then just dump the clutch.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah?
That's good enough for me. I'm not gonna...
Alright, so we just cooked both of the rear tires, bro. Come look at this. This thing is crazy. Look at this. Yo, you can see all the treads hanging off of this. Yo, a whole chunk of the tire gone. This thing is literally a slick now. This thing is literally a slick. This thing is crazy. This thing is crazy. Same thing on this side too, completely slicks. Crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That was my first time doing a donut. That was my first time doing a burnout successfully. But yeah, that was clean. That was clean. So now we're gonna take the new tires and put them on the Mustang so it can get a whole new look, and we're gonna see how it looks, and I'm gonna reveal it then. But first, before we get into the new wheels and tires for the Mustang, we gotta thank our special sponsor for the video, Partify. So if you guys never heard of Partify, they're basically a company that helps make sure your project car looks complete. So most people are used to having to buy a body panel for their car, taking it to a car shop, getting it painted, sanded off, all that type of thing. With Partify, they do all of that directly for you. So all you have to do is just put in your car, the parts you want, and the color, and then that's it. It gets shipped to your door and not folded up. It gets, you know, sent in the actual sides of the panel. All you Escalade boys are very happy, I know. Essentially, all you gotta do is slap that thing on the car. No painting needed, no other extra unnecessary steps. If you guys would like to use a Partify product for your car or your project build, make sure you use code AR Car Reviews to get $10 off of your next purchase. Or you can visit the link in the description at www.partifyusa.com/AR Car Reviews. That's partifyusa.com/AR Car Reviews. Now let's see what these wheels and tires are talking about. All right, so we got the old wheel off, and look at this, bro. I tell you, we shredded them tires, bro. We shredded the hell out of these tires. These tires are slicks now. And then we gotta put the new wheels on. All right, guys, without further ado, here are the new wheels and tires for the Mustang. Reveal for my new tires and wheels. Come to the back right here. We got 275s 40 R19, and these are the Mustang performance pack wheels for the S650. So these are fire. They come wrapped in some P04s, super sticky summer tires, and they look super fire. I'm not gonna lie. I think this completes the look of my car, and it's just fire. I'm not gonna lie. This is fire. Nah, this is really heat. I gotta worry about the tire pressure sensor because right now I don't got nothing for it. I don't know if it's gonna work with my car, but I guess we gotta see. Definitely gotta get programmed though. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And here's the new tires. You know, we also got new lug nuts because the lug nuts I got on my car was swollen. Could barely come off. And yeah, and also special to Johnny Boy. Man's over here pulling up in the Subi, clean ass white Subi. He got the cocaina, that's the name of it. Yeah, but yeah, special shout out to him helping me in this summer heat. We about to get out of here, get some nice cool drinks, some food. But yeah, the car is sitting pretty. So let me know what y'all think, man.
Clean.
This thing is clean, bro. This thing is fire. Like this. We gotta do something about the height though, because it's a little bit too high, but yeah, that thing's fire. I like that. All right, so today was a complete success. We got all the tires in the back. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm gonna sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Lightly used, $500. I know what I got. All right, but yeah, so shout out to Johnny Boy. I'm gonna link his Instagram, you know, all his socials. So if you guys want to follow him, he has a nice clean white cocaina STI. So if y'all, which is the best generation STI in my opinion, but so because after that they killed it, of course. But yeah, so y'all follow him. Apart from that, these wheels and tires are absolutely amazing for the car. I love how they look. They give me so much more presence. Somebody literally took a picture of my car, which, I mean, somebody did that before, but it feels better now, you know what I mean? And it just changes the whole ride of the car. Now, one gripe I do have with these wheels are they are heavy. They are only summer tires. They're running a staggered fitment. I love how they look, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of weight. You know what I mean? It is a lot of weight on the cars. Now, when I'm actually getting on it at higher speeds, I have noticed a very big difference. It's less of those Mustang moments. And I think a large part of that reason is because this car came stock with 235s, which is not enough tire for this car. The low end torque really does kick out, especially in first, second, third gears, you know, when you actually need to like have as much rubber on the pavement as possible. So with these summer performance tires off of a S650, not only is it gonna make my car look better with a staggered fitment, it makes my car perform better at higher speeds, just not from a dig. But I don't know who's dig racing their Mustang. But yeah, that's essentially the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the wheels and tires. Hope you guys enjoy the donuts and all that type of thing. I just want to say thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I told you we would do some burnouts, wheelies, donuts, all that stuff with the 1,000 subscribers, especially when you guys absolutely smashed that like and subscribe button. And we're almost to 2,000. I don't know what we're gonna do to celebrate 2,000. I want to have a couple milestones. Of course, we got to keep going. We got to keep grinding. Just because my wrist is a little broken or suspended, that don't mean the grind is not going to stop. So I just want to say thank you guys. Love all y'all from the bottom of my heart, and let's keep doing this thing, right? We got to keep going. So make sure you guys hit up that subscribe button if you haven't, if you're new, and AR out.